Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio, SDK33, and a device or emulator with developer mode. Next, decide whether the assistant runs locally with a TF Lite model or calls a cloud API for larger models. Each choice affects latency and privacy. Once decided, scaffold your app: single activity architecture, microphone and network permissions, and a simple UI. Initialize a Git repo and commit the baseline. Make sure to test basic microphone capture before integrating ML so you avoid repeating setup work. You now connect audio input to inference. Use audio record for low latency capture, then resample and normalize to the model's expected sample rate and quantization. Next, wire the model client. Instantiate a TF Lite interpreter with nnappy or GPU delegate if on device, or build a retrofit/OK HTTP client with async coroutines for cloud calls and token refresh. Once inference returns text or embeddings, run intent parsing and dialog state management, then map intents to safe command execution. Make sure to you complete the assistant by hardening privacy and UX. Request explicit microphone consent, offer a local versus cloud toggle, and store keys encrypted. Then create an extensive test matrix for noisy audio, API timeouts, and low memory conditions. Implement exponential backoff, retries, and graceful degradation to text-only or limited features. Finally, optimize for battery with job scheduler and batching, and quantize models to reduce size. If inference fails, check logs for mismatched sample rates and delegate issues first. Those are the most common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.